Audrey and I, we went offshore on the Seadoo Fishpro, and we went out looking for hogfish. We caught a few nice ones and a ton of grunts, so did some grocery shopping, and we just camped out on this spoil island out here. It's beautiful. I didn't do a lot of filming, I was just kind of having fun yesterday, but got a little bit of footage. There you go. Rod tip up and then reel on the way down. Ooh, I just got hit. Nice grunt.
Alright.
Get it up. Drag's locked down too.
It's not. Wow, they're heavy.
Yeah.
It's a big one.
It's not even a big one. That's on the Saragossa 10,000. Little red grouper is put into work.
What do you have goals left that you want to play?
There he goes. I just had a sense.
What? I didn't feel anything.
What's it gonna be?
It's like puncturing
It's
my...
feeling grouper-esque. Another fire truck. Ooh,
Beauty.
what a beauty. Oh, that's a big fish. I can't even lift up. Shit, he might have rocked me.
You don't have him anymore? What do you mean? Here, what do you want me to
Like,
do?
I think he's wrapped on the bottom. He's still on. I got 60-pound leader, 50-pound braid. My drag's pretty tight, honestly.
Dude, I still don't even see him.
Oh!
No!
Damn it! I lost everything. I broke it. No, I have.
You broke that?
No. Oh, the hook popped off.
Oh, he must have been big.
Keep him on, keep him on. That might be a hogfish. It's digging like a hog. That might be the one.
Is that what they say? Digging like a hog?
Yeah, no, that's why they're called hogfish, because they have these snouts. Dude, that. Keep them buttoned on. Keep the line tight. Yes. Phew, that is not a grunt. That's a hogfish.
Is that what
That's a hogfish. That's a hogfish. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water.
Okay, all right.
Let me get the net.
It doesn't really look like he's hooked up.
Yeah, I know. Wait. I'm getting the net. I'm getting the net. Keep him in the water.
I can't. This is fine.
Keep him in the water. Bring him here. Yes! I told you. Dude, how pretty is that fish?
Just
17-inch hog, baby. Nice meal. Oink, oink. We got bacon. Bacon, baby. Beauty, 17-incher. Whew. On the new Saragossa. Oh yeah, it's a gag. Or oh, it's a red grouper. Damn, it's not even that big. Squirrel fish. Oh yeah. Get him up, that's the one. That's a hoggy. You. Nice. That's the one.
Oh, this is a
Oh, that's a great one. Here, keep him in the water. You!
Okay, you need to start getting
Dude, you got the hot hand today. A hot rod.
pliers.
Hold them up. Nice. Dude, this is a big grouper. He's still on. This is a big fish. I'm not gonna break him off.
I'd like to announce that Steven has not caught a hog today.
I hate you.
But it's okay, I haven't caught a red grouper.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
my
That was
God.
you.
This thing's massive. This might be a Goliath. Goliath grouper.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, this is the thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the one. Oh! No! Oh my god, this thing's massive. This might be a Goliath. Goliath grouper.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, it's a thing. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is the one. Oh!
This is yours.
Oink, oink.
Do you want it?
No, it's all you. I don't want it now. I'm just gonna drink this beer. Oh wow.
It's not. It's a grunt.
Dude, that was fighting like a hog though. There we go. I'm just kidding. Just get him up. Get him up.
Like I play with you?
No, don't play with him like you play with me. Smell bacon.
No.
What is it? Just a big ass grunt? Oh shit. That's a big grunt.
Sad video.
These big grunts fight good. Grunt.
Oh, no.
Oh, it's a hog.
Oh, wait.
Don't reel. Don't reel yet. Yeah, he's eating it. He's eating it. All right, now reel. Now you got him on. You got a triple tail on. Yeah. That was sick. We literally saw them eat. These are fun.
Wait, what do I do?
Wait, don't reel them in it all the way. Stop.
Oh, no.
Grab the net. Grab the net. Oh. Ooh, it's a jumper. It's a little guy. They gotta be 15 to keep.
He looks 15.
No, he does look 15. Dude, there were two trying to go after it. Nice. Beautiful sunset. Sexy ski. Look how white this meat is. Got here.
I put
Some hogfish.
I put the tequila.
Fancy. Little squeeze.
This is for you.
Okay, thank you. So, yesterday we camped out on this island after fishing for hogfish and a ton of grunts yesterday. We're gonna go out for some redfish this morning with like the rest of the shrimp we got. Like cut up some of the grunts too and use them for bait. Got my first mate over here. I'm a salty one, she's ready to go. How'd you sleep last night?
Actually, really well. We just woke up a few times, looked at the stars.
The stars were incredible.
Moon went away at 4.
Yeah, the moon was nice too.
It was really nice.
The no-seam started biting at like sunset time last night
They
and
weren't
sunrise,
bad.
but
Being dramatic.
they were bad. Look at her leg. Look at her
They weren't
legs.
that bad. This one, they were bad.
Yeah, they weren't that bad.
I don't feel it.
All right, let's get on these fish. Audrey with her first redfish.
Oh, he's really hooked now. You're not leaving. Cheers with my bad cast per Steven.
Good job. That's not a bad first one. That's an 18-incher.
Look at his
Do you want to eat them?
Right now, yeah.
All right, well, it's the only one we got, so it's your first red. All right.
Oh!
Here, let me get him off the hook.
So the bottom's okay.
Oh.
Wait, go on the other side.
This is a good.
Another redfish, you think?
Oh yeah. But you got the net, okay. All right, pass me the GoPro and you take the rod. Yeah, this is
Ready?
a red.
It's on your right.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is a big one.
Here, pass me the GoPro. Here. No, take the rod.
Take which rod?
This rod. Audrey got the mama now. How's that feel? Does that feel good or what? Phew.
My hands are burning.
I know. Beautiful backdrop.
I'm gonna walk
too.
backwards.
Yeah.
And then you.
Oh, let him pull. Let him pull. Let him pull.
He's so strong.
Yeah. Don't give him any slack.
Dude, I'm sweating.
Yeah. It's not over yet. You can't finish. You can't give up.
I know. I will cry.
Let's try to walk him back a little bit. Oh, there he. Oh my God, he's a beauty.
Wait, is that a shark?
No,
Steven, what if it's
no, it's a redfish. Bring him here.
Steven, he's gigantic.
No, it's a stingray. You're not gonna get the sunscreen out of there. Locked and loaded.
I've been watching you for some time. Can't stop staring at those ocean eyes. Burning cities and napalm skies. 15 flares inside those ocean eyes. Your ocean eyes.